Grade 8, how are you? Let's continue our lesson today, reproduction in plant. Okay, let's remember the main parts of the flower. The flower consists of the green leaf, which name is sepal, colored leaf, which name is petal, male organ, which is stamen, and it consists of two main parts, filament and anther, female organ, which its name is carpel, and it consists of three main parts, ovary, stigma and spike. Okay, we have in this flower a lot of stamens. It contains a lot of stamens. A lot of stamens or group of stamens, its name is andrecium. So if the flower contains a group of stamen, its name is andrecium. While if the flower contains a group of carpels, its name is gynoecium. So the male organ, the group of male organ, its name is andrecium, and the group of the female organ, its name is gynoecium. Andrecium, male group of stamen, gynoecium, group of carpels. Okay, this flower contains a group of sepals. Sepal plus sepal plus sepal, its name is calyx, while petal plus petal plus petal, its name is corolla. Listen again. So group of sepals called calyx, group of petals called corolla, group of stamen called andrecium, group of carpel called gynoecium. Okay. We have a lot of types of flower. We have unisexual flower and bisexual flower. Unisexual flower means this flower contains male organ only or female organ only. This flower contains the carpel, as you see, so its name is gynoecium because it contains just carpels. While this flower, it contains stamen only or stamen only, so its name is andrecium, group of male organs. While we have flower which contains male organ and female organ, so its name is bisexual flower. So we have unisexual, it contains the male or female, or bisexual contains the male organ and female organ in the same flower. Okay, let's transfer to another part. What happened in the plant which doesn't contain any flower? How could these plants reproduce? We have another type of reproduction, its name is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it occurs in the plants which don't contain flower, okay, and it occurs without male organ or female organ. We have two types of asexual reproduction, something called natural vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means asexual reproduction. Natural, like tuber, the method of natural is tuber, and it occurs in potato like this. Tuber, it's a root like sweet potato and underground stem like potatoes. It occurs in potato and sweet potato. And this part called bud. This part called bud, it's very important in the natural asexual reproduction, and this is called reproduction by tuber. How the reproduction happens? Just to cut a piece of this potato with pod and put it in the soil, it will grow and it reproduce another plant or another plant of potato or sweet potato. Okay, so asexual reproduction divided into two types, natural and artificial. Natural, like reproduction by tuber, it occurs in potato and sweet potato. Okay, what about artificial? We have a lot of types in artificial reproduction. Number one, cutting. And the method number one is cutting. By cut a piece of the plant like this and put it in the soil to grow. This is cutting. Number two, tissue culture. And this is new method to take a tissue, slice from the plant tissue, and put very small pieces in tubes like this, each tube or the plant will grow in it, and it produces identical plant to the parent plant. It produces identical plant to the parent plants. This is called tissue culture. So listen again. Asexual reproduction, this is the reproduction that occurs in the plant that doesn't contain any flower. We have natural asexual reproduction like tuber, and it occurs in potato and sweet potato, and artificial asexual reproduction, and we have a lot of types, such as cutting, by cut a piece of plant and put it in the soil to grow. Tissue culture, to take a slice from the plant and put it in tubes, and then it will grow and it gives me plants identical to its parent. Okay, now we finish our lesson. Study grade 8, and I will see you later. Thank you.